Hi, welcome to the Aristocrat Potato Channel, where we teach you how to cook food, but only potato foods, because those are the only foods you need in life. I am Archduke Spudsworth III, and today I shall be teaching you the utmost of potato dishes, the quickest and easiest to make, the microwaved baked potato. The ingredients you'll need are a paper towel, cheese, sour cream, butter, a spoon, a fork, a knife, and of course our handy. First, you'll want to clean your potato. A nice washed potato is a key to a nice healthy meal. Then, you'll take your paper towel. You'll damp it. Make sure to wring it out. You might want to do this multiple times to make sure to get all the excess moisture out. Then, you'll wrap your potato. Make sure it's completely wrapped. So that way, you don't have to worry about any of the extra potato energy escaping. I'm not sure how this works exactly. Then, you'll have your wrapped potato. You'll then take your wrapped potato and put it in your microwave. I advise putting it in there for around 4-ish minutes. So I'll return to you when that's done. First, you want to unwrap your potato like it's a present on Christmas morning. Now, look at that bad boy. That wrinkly skin. That color. The smell. You can't smell it. First, you want to take your knife and slice it open right down the middle there. Take a look at that beauty. Now, your first step is, of course, always to put your softs first. Wait, no, that's not the logic. Doesn't matter. Put your butter first. Then you can cover it with everything else so it soaks in nice and just juicily. This is a fresh stick of unsalted butter. I prefer my baked potatoes without salt. Of course, you can always add it. Of course, don't add it if you don't like salt, like me, because I don't like salt. Anyways, you'll take your little slice of butter, and then put it in your potato. I recommend just sliding it around a bit with your fingers. Always make sure you wash your hands first. And then, as that's melting, you should pop open your sour cream. And make sure to stir any of the extra juicy liquid that gets there sometimes. And just do a little dollop of that into your potato right on top of that butter. And finally, we open our cheese. We can cheese our potato. Cover it nice. And there you have it. The perfect baked potato. Well, microwave potato. Baked potatoes is a much lengthier process. I shall see you in the next video. Remember, always eat your potatoes.